Hi, I'm Tim Bartz, Internet Sales Manager here at Long McArthur Ford in Salina, Kansas. Your source for Ford news, update, and information, as well as your custom builds. Yes, here at Long McArthur Performance, we like to do our custom builds on different vehicles, F-150s, Mustangs, Super Duties, redo them on Rangers, and now we have one for the 2024, well, any model year, I guess, Ford Maverick. So this happens to be a 2023 Ford Maverick that became available. So we decided, let's go ahead and experiment and let's test out and put a package together for the Maverick. So a lot of people have been asking for a lowered version. So this is what you're gonna have. So we're gonna go over this vehicle, go over the package, tell you what we're including as part of this package and everything that's included, and know that everything is customizable. We want you to have the vehicle of your dreams, and we like to put those in your driveway, and we definitely will want to do that for you. So if there's something different on this you'd like, different wheels, something like that, we can make it happen. So keep that in mind as you watch this video, but let's show you what our basic package for this Sport Truck Edition for the Ford Maverick is going to look like. So if you like videos like this, want to stay updated on Ford news, or check out our live streams, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, hit the notification bell so you can be notified next time another video upload to the channel. But let's just dive in and tell you what's required from the factory before we can put this lowered package on your Maverick. Now, with these, you can order this, of course, if you have a 2022 Maverick, you have a 2023, maybe even you have a 2024 on order, we're going to be able to put this package on any of those model years for the Ford Maverick. Of course, we do require one thing, or actually a couple different options here. It has to be EcoBoost is the one thing it has to be. Also, we are looking at either a front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, so we're flexible on that. Does not have to have, you know, an FX4 off-road package, doesn't have to have a tow package. Just the fact that it's an EcoBoost, front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, we're going to be able to lower the truck for you. So that is the only requirement. It can be put on an XL, it can be put on XLT, whatever you want, it can be done. So if you want to go XL, put this package on there. There's nothing in here that says that an XL, equipment-wise, it's not able to do. So a lot of some performance upgrades on this, plus some appearance upgrades. And overall, I think you're going to be liking this package. So let's go ahead and dive in now that we have that out of the way and show you exactly what we do first to this. Now, the first thing we did, of course, is we lowered it. So what did we use? We used an Eibach lowering kit for this, and we did have to actually use also the Eibach caster and camber kit as well for this. So a lot of people have asked, it is 3 inches lower, and that's what it lowered to. I think it's a little bit different in the front and back, but the back, I believe, is 3 inches lower than it was, and I think like 2 in the front. So it is lowered down. You're still going to have a little bit higher in the back because, you know, you have payload to put in here. So when you put that payload in, it should sink it to level, but it's pretty darn close. We like it here, but 3 inches lower. We did measure it compared to an FX4 all-wheel drive, because that's what this is, that we had, put it beside it and measured it 3 inches lower. So pretty cool. Also, of course, we added some wheels. So these are 20 inch, 20 by 8.5 inch with a 45 offset, by the way. This is an ASA wheel. We can do all kinds of different wheels. Machine finish with the black painted pockets. Kind of tell you why we went with a machine here just a little bit when we talk about some other things we added to the vehicle. But again, we do also have a Bridgestone performance tire that goes on that as well. I'll give you all the numbers if you want that on the screen. Try to remember to put that on the screen, if not in the description. So pretty cool on how that all looks. And once, of course, we get that done, 4-wheel alignment, road force mount and balance as well. So it's doing just right. And as another performance upgrade, we added the Cobb tuning kit to this as well. So this is can tuning. I think that means we just plugged and played. Has the upgraded filter as well for this, to allow for as much airflow in as we can to help it perform a little bit better. And of course, it has a tuning kit, so you can tune it to your specifications if you'd like. That'll come with the vehicle as well. It's in the box in the back, so you're gonna have that too. So I will tell you this, we did go out and test it a little bit, and I think you're gonna be really happy with the performance, how it handles corners and such like that. It's gonna do a really good job for you there. I think you'll be pleased with that. Now, let's talk about some other things. That's a great performance upgrades that we have for this, but let's tell you some of the appearance things that we did to this as well to just really set it off and make it look cool. Now, one of the things we thought we really needed, of course, as we got everything figured out what we're going to do on the lowering it, tuning kit, and everything else, was it has to have some killer graphics. And so we had to do some out-of-box thinking. Maybe not everybody's going to like the graphics, but again, Here's the great thing is we can customize graphics to your liking. We've had some other customers say, hey, I like this style, or you can draw something up and we can send it over and we can have this put on. So this is a matte finish graphic we put on the hood. So we kind of, you'll see it on the side as well, kind of stuck to that. People ask why one side and not the other. Well, we're trying to bring some of the old Maverick to the new Maverick. And this was kind of some of the styling back, you know, in a certain time period where you just did graphic on one side. And so again, out of box thinking, if you want on both sides, not a problem, we can make it happen. It won't charge you extra for the other side as well if you want. Also, the grill up here, 2-bar grill. Of course, this was an XLT, so it was a carbonized gray grill. We had to paint it. It has to go body colored, so it's got cyber orange in this case, body colored the front grill, and I think it really makes that pop. And you will notice as you look at this, XLTs in chrome, got some nice machine finish there. You got your badging on the front that's chrome as well. The bright bezel in the headlights, which is kind of the reason we went with this style of wheel over here. So now you also notice the graphics on the side over here. So again, bringing out that kind of that retro look a little bit here to this. And also if you look at this, the truck, in fact, you know what? Give me a second. Let me move this around back to where we had it so I can really show you what our thinking was on the lines. So as you can see on the side, what we tried to create is, because of the way Ford makes that, and they kind of trick you a little bit, it looks like it's pretty much level across the side and the same height in the bed as it is in the cab and such. But they've kind of used this molding to kind of give you that look, because if you see the molding kicks up, and again back there to give you that look. So we kind of use that same line in the graphics. So if you kind of see that, maybe makes sense there of how we did that, moved it up, added a second graphic here to come on back. So again, some people will like it, some won't. If you like a better graphic option, again, we're flexible. We'll put that on there for you as well at the same price. So just get with us. This is a single color. If you add another color, it might cost a little more, but we can work with you and make that work for us. Also on the back here, we put a cab spoiler on there. So of course, something with a sport truck, it's got to have a nice cab spoiler. This in here, we painted it to match as well. So those cab spoilers that you get through Ford Accessories, they are paintable. So if you'd like to, you can leave it black or you can go ahead and paint it. So we did that body colored with this, of course, cyber orange on this one here, and so we like that look. Getting painted makes a world of difference right there. Now let's move this back around again and show you what we did on the back of the vehicle and in the bed. So back here in the bed, of course, we did put a bed cover on this. We went with the Ford tri-fold bed cover. That's the most popular. Most people are liking the tri-fold bed covers, so we do have that one back here too. Also in the back, you'll notice, I'll give you a close-up of this, but you'll notice the letters we filled in. About everybody that has a Maverick has to put in some letters. We filled that in. Instead of a vinyl putting in there, we actually wanted something thicker. So you'll see these are the kind of the chrome finish Maverick lettering, again with the chrome on the back, the all-wheel drive, the letters, and the wheel. It brings those all together right there, and even some a little bit bright in the tail light. So kind of bring all that together. Now inside, this does have a spray and bed liner. And what I love about these are so easy to release back here for these bed covers. So show you how that's done right there. And you can go one more if you want. So there you go. We do have bumpers on the back so it won't hit your windshield or anything. Spray and bed liner back here as well. So again, spray and bed liner and the bed cover as well for this. Also front window tint. Forgot about that. Have front window tint. And also forgot about on the inside, does have the Maverick door seal plates that is also available through Ford Accessories for the front as well as the back door. So that is also included in this truck build as well. So I think I've covered everything. Give me a second, we'll do a conclusion and make sure I did cover everything. So this is our package. Our sport truck package also includes a paint protectant and sealant over it as well to help protect that. And we also, with this included, it's a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty. Because I know a lot of people out there are gonna probably talk about pricing. Right now, of course, I don't always talk about pricing on these videos because they are subject to change depending on parts availability and pricing. But right now we're looking right around $10,000 for this package, $9,995. And that includes install cost as well as the warranty. Remember, this is all covered with a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty. If you have any issues with the painted grille, with the wheels, with the your iBot kit, anything like that, that's all going to be covered under warranty since we did it here at Long McArthur Performance. So keep that in mind. Peace of mind warranty that we put on all of our vehicles, including even the spring liners, a lifetime warranty on that. So we do give you a nice warranty on this, and that's what we like to pride ourselves. We never put anything on our vehicles that we won't back with a warranty for you to protect our customers. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. This again can be put on any trim level. Does need to be an EcoBoost, front wheel drive or all wheel drive. And if you want something a little different wheel, different graphics, let us know. We can make that happen. If you don't want the front, we can adjust pricing for anything you do or don't want. If you want something else on top of this, we can work with you as well and adjust that pricing and help you make it happen. So it's a one-stop place. Have the vehicle brought here, or if you have a vehicle with us and want to put this on, then it's already here. We can put it on while it's here, and you can take delivery just once instead of having to bring it back for different things like that. So there you go. Hopefully this helps you out and you guys like this video. If you like builds like this, you might check out some of our other builds on our YouTube channel here. And if you want to order a vehicle, check out our website because there's some great local dealerships. I'm sorry, check out our YouTube live stream because we do talk about ordering, constraints, that kind of stuff, and tips for you to get your vehicle faster. So definitely check that out every Tuesday night, 7 p.m. Central Time, right here on our YouTube channel. Make sure you're subscribed, hit the notification bell, smash the like button, and until the next video, stay positive, be kind to one another, be kind to yourself, and we'll see you on that next video.